हे एवरीवन, आई एम आदि एंड ही इज़ माय फ्रेंड नवनाथ। हम बोलने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश। हंसना मना नहीं है, आप बिंदास हंस सकते हो बिकॉज इंग्लिश गलत हो सकती है यार।
यस यस।
भोले भाले हमें इंग्लिश नहीं आता तो जस्ट ट्राई कर रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हो कैसे हम इंग्लिश में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं एंड आप भी कुछ चीज़ें सीख सकते हो।
यस सर।
बिल्कुल, इंग्लिश आप भी सीख सकते हो हमारे साथ। ओके, तो हम आज एक टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करने वाले हैं, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो आजकल ट्रेंडिंग में है, एंड दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड AI, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। वाव, इंटेलिजेंस है यार, क्या ही बताओ। उसके बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे इंग्लिश में। आर यू एक्साइटेड?
यस सर। यस।
ये भी
So
एक्साइटेड,
excited.
मैं भी एक्साइटेड हूँ। आप हो जाओ और आप भी एक्साइटेड, ठीक है। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। नवनाथ, कैन यू टेल मी, आप सबसे पहले बताओ, व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन अबाउट AI?
AI is very useful for me.
Hmm.
So I am using ChatGPT since last year, last 1 year.
Okay.
It was very helpful for me. Sir.
Okay, AI is very helpful.
Yes,
helpful for helpful for you.
Yeah.
Okay, देखो यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग है।
Yes.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। What exactly AI helped you?
I am doing coding right now in Java.
Hmm.
So she sorry.
It's
What-
okay. It's
what-
okay.
What
it's
we
okay.
can
AI, you can tell like
AI
she,
can-
he. No problem.
Yes.
We are learning. He's telling she. AI is she. Okay, no problem.
AI
Uh,
gives me the lots of code. When I was get some error, I will ask to AI. Then it will give the solution.
Okay, that means AI is the solution of your every problem.
Yes.
Every problem.
Of course.
Whatever problem you have.
Yes, I have also tried with my personal problems with AI. It helped me a lot.
Okay, can you share your one personal problem here?
How can I improve my communication skills?
Okay, that you are asking to the AI
Yes.
and ChatGPT, and they are telling. What is the response you are get
You,
from
you
Chat-
need to boost your confidence first. Then you need to talk. Try to talk with the public in your area.
You are satisfied with that response?
Not much, but I am trying it and I am getting a good response. Yeah.
Okay. No, I have one. No. I will share the feedback for AI and my opinion about AI. Okay. Basically, when I ask one question to the AI, that is ChatGPT, or you can say there is lots of AI tools present in
Yes,
market.
yes.
ChatGPT, then Google, what's the name? Gemini, then something, lots of here. Okay, but we are using frequently ChatGPT, right?
Yes.
So exactly ChatGPT, I am asking to the ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, I want to follow my diet.
Yes.
Diet, okay, I want to follow diet. So can you please me tell me, I have 200 rupees and I want to invest that
Yes. Yes.
in a day. So please give me the suggestions
Yes.
how I can invest that, and please give me the my diet plan.
Yes.
So I am not satisfied with that.
Why?
Reason is that ChatGPT is saying in 200 you can also make a diet plan. That is, in 30 rupees you can take a rice plate. In 30 rupees.
Yes.
Who is giving you in 30 rupees rice plate?
Yes. There are lots of hotels and.
That's why
You can get
when
it.
you use ChatGPT, there is some information. ChatGPT can make mistakes.
Why, sir? I don't think you can get the rice plate in 30 rupees.
Nobody, how? Where, who is giving you 30 rupees price plate? Please tell me, or all audience, everyone
You can go to a hotel nearby.
and in 30 rupees.
Only rice plate or all the.
I want three chapatis, bhaji,
You cannot
everything.
get that. You need to pay 100 rupees.
So what is that? But ChatGPT is saying in 30 rupees you can get.
ChatGPT thinks it was only rice.
I think Navnath is talking with his girlfriend. That's why telling like she thinks.
No. Sir.
Why you are telling she?
I don't know what to do. What I can use for ChatGPT. She or
You can use just ChatGPT.
this.
ChatGPT.
Yes. Of course.
Okay, no problem. But can AI be, we can say, dangerous for man or human?
AI is not so dangerous, I think.
No,
No, no, no.
seriously.
Yes.
You not seeing the picture that in movies robot?
No, I don't think that AI will destroy something.
Sure.
Lots of people are
Mm-hmm.
uh,
You have not created the AI, so how you can say how you can say AI will not destroy everything?
it will destroy everything after they the developers of AI gives them power.
You know, one point I have learned from YouTube that
Yeah.
point. One video I have seen, guys, here about AI. Some things are discussing. One thing I note that by using AI in
Yes.
nowadays, people can make real videos
Yes,
of real
I
real
also
human.
tried. I also tried on. You can also try it, guys. You can go to WhatsApp, then you can use the You can get an option of
Meta.
WhatsApp Meta. Then you can open that and you can try like imagine. I have tried that. Imagine a girl with mustache. So AI given me the image, yeah, of the girl with mustache.
Next, what you try then?
Then a boy with mustache. I can show
No,
you
no, no. A boy, a girl with
girl with mustache and a boy with mustache.
mustache means.
I can show the.
Okay, Navnath is showing, guys, something to you. He is very talented boy. He is searching everything. He is searching something. Hey, ChatGPT, please, can you tell me?
A boy with mustache, sir. I will show. Where it is? Where it
I
is?
want to go my village. I have only
This
100
is
rupees.
she
Oh.
gives me this picture. You can check out.
Yes, 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 yes.
A boy with mustache.
Mustache means I am not understanding.
This you are.
Okay, okay. Muche,
Yes, yes.
A girl with mustache, it also get.
Yes, AI is giving all that.
Oh, bhai, so it is dangerous.
Yeah, it is so dangerous.
And one thing, suppose you are here,
Yeah.
and by using AI, it is possible.
Yes.
You are here, but we can show you are not here. You are something in Pakistan. You are something in Bangla. Something in something that China. In every place,
Yes,
we can show that.
Yes.
Suppose one what we can say for chore
Thief.
thieves.
Yeah.
One thief is doing thieving, that is chori.
Yes.
Okay, and that time I can show your picture. I can show in
Your-
video
your
your
face
your
too.
face
Yeah,
for
yeah,
that.
Yes. Yes. Of
And
course.
there are lots of fraud is also happen.
But police understands the edited video and the real video.
Now police is understands. After 10 years, what will happen? See, 10.
Yes.
After 10 years is too difficult.
It's too-
Criminals get the advantage by using AI.
Yes.
Thus, crime department also get the advantage, but more advantage get to the criminals.
Yes.
They are taking the advantage.
Yes.
Yes or no, right?
Yes.
So it is totally so dangerous.
Yeah. AI is so dangerous.
It solves our problems, but also give us problems.
In some particular things, AI will very helpful for us, and
Mhm.
in some things, AI is very dangerous. We can say.
When AI is not in the market, our life is very happy.
But
Yes or no?
developers are getting lots of problems. I think.
No, developers will learn that, buddy, from Google or any by helping each other. But AI is very dangerous. It is making work simple, but it is also dangerous because it gives lots of problems. I am against AI.
Why? You are using ChatGPT. I am seeing. I am watching the
I am
daily. You are using
also
ChatGPT.
using.
Why?
Yes, brother. But problem is what? Because of AI, there is lots of things happening.
Yes.
Crimes happening.
Crimes. Why? Which type of crimes?
Someone is using your face with another one.
Yes.
How you feel?
I don't feel anything because it's not reality.
But someone is using that with girl now.
No. I don't think. No. I don't think.
You don't think, but it is happening na.
Yes, to
Avoid.
avoid it. Yeah.
पागल भाई क्या ये पागल है क्या भाई, ये अवॉइड करने के लिए बोल रहा है.
It's not reality. All my family members on trust are all.
Everyone is trust भाई, everyone is trust. But see, suppose your face is attaching with another one who has no any we can say value in what we can say समाज काय म्हणतो समाजला
Society.
society.
Yeah.
Such person has no any value in society. With that, suppose your face is attached,
Yes.
what do you do?
I don't mind. Sir.
You don't run, but many people mind that
No. I don't.
because they have own value, own
I will
character.
tell them that the picture is generated by AI.
Yes, everyone know that picture is generated,
Yeah.
but some people who are not literate,
Totally avoid. I totally.
they are
avoid
seeing
it.
that, oh, how is
Yes,
possible?
I am totally avoiding that people. That people are. I don't need. That.
In India, 70% are illiterate.
In my life, I don't. I will avoid that people's.
70%.
I don't need that people's in my life.
Your mom is also in that.
No. I know that. My mom is not.
You are saying avoid. Everyone is avoid. Illiterate people, such as pure heart.
After giving the particular like this picture is generated by her, my mom will trust on me. Yeah.
देख रहे हो बंदा इंग्लिश ट्राई कर रहा है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
I'm not trying. I am very like
Confident?
Yeah.
ओ भाई साहब, नवनाथ is very confident about English, guys.
Yes.
What about you? You are confident about English? No? Please join us.
Yes.
You can also.
How can they join?
Yes, you can join. You can comment or you can get my number from comment section, description box.
Yes.
And
if you
by-
want to join,
Yes,
you can assign a Zoom meeting.
Yes.
Then you can join on.
We can make one Zoom meeting and we can communicate,
Yes.
right? So, can you stop for today?
No, sir. Why? How many minutes? 12 minutes. We can make a video of 20 minutes.
No. 12 is enough because people are so much that they are saying, yeah, boring हो रहा है.
How much?
Okay,
they want to-
let's make a comedy.
Which type of comedy?
Any comedy because everyone cannot be bored.
Why? I don't know any comedy.
So guys, don't know any comedy. I also don't know comedy.
I'm not in the mood of comedy.
So in which mood you have?
I'm in very serious mood.
So what you want to do? yes, seriously. What you want to do?
क्या करूँ?
Anything you can.
डांस करूँगा?
You want to dance, guys? Yes, you can dance. No, just come in the camera and laugh. How you laugh in bigger, I want to see.
No.
Laugh ना.
No.
हसले ना आयुष्य वाढतं. Yes, you can laugh.
No.
Yes, like that. Laugh.
We can talk on another topic.
Yes, but I need to stop this video, guys. We will see in next video. Thanks so much.